Can you see me?
Yeah, y'all focus.
Can you see my bun?
Yes.
You see me?
Do I look focused?
Can you see my bun?
Yes, you're focused.
Do I look focused?
You guys are focused.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Raven Pete and I'm back with another video with my mom. The last video we did was me doing her makeup. Today I'm going to be doing acrylic nails on her for the first time. So we are on day 444 of quarantine, so we have nothing better else to do. So we got the Kiss acrylic kit. So this is what I'm going to be doing her nails with. I think this was around $6 to $10, nothing too expensive. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. If you're already a part of the family, thank you so much for coming back. Let's jump right into it. Inside this kit, it comes with the nail tips, the acrylic powder, and the acrylic fluid. So I am going to go ahead and just open this up and get started. Before we start to apply the nail, we are going to go ahead and file her real nails. This helps for the acrylics to stay on it. So now that we have went ahead and filed her real nails, I am going to go ahead and use a cuticle pusher just to push her cuticles back a little more. Her cuticles are already pretty much pushed back, or too big or something. What are you doing? What I say?
Correct.
Then come and smoke it. Smoke it. And this is me just brushing off the excess nail file that was on there. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the acrylic liquid and pour just a little. Oh, we see it's secure, so we can trust it. I'm gonna pour just a little in here. Open up the nails. It should come in multiple sizes.
It's some big.
I know.
I got some.
But you guys, this is good for you.
My shit ain't that fat.
You know your fingers fat.
Not that damn fat. Come on now. Look at them right there. What them here thumbs? Or toes? Them thumbs or toes, girl.
So now what I'm gonna do is take a couple of the nails and just kind of see which one fits her best. This one fits her thumb, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, it don't come with glue?
Wait a damn minute. What?
It don't come with glue?
It must not. Why it don't come with glue? No, you sure it didn't come with glue with a thing yet?
I wish they could see my face right now.
You open the pack up.
Yeah.
So you ain't see no glue in it. You sure?
BRB. We didn't realize until the last minute that the kit did not have any glue. So I had to go get some glue, and now we're gonna go ahead and finish the process.
Yes. I will like them like this, but no, you would be a douche after they wash your ass.
So now that we have her tips put on, we are going to go ahead and cut the nails down. Let's see. I'd rather do longer than shorter. Now that I have this hand clipped, I am going to use this as a guide for this one so I can ensure that they're both the same length. So what I do or what I'm going to do is go ahead and make sure that the fingers are aligned and then clip like that. Also, even when you're doing this, just make sure to do longer so the nails can be even, because once you cut it off, you can't get it back. So it's better to go longer than shorter. So just a little more. Let's see. Okay, good. Damn. Let me see that. Okay, now we have her nails the size that she like them. Let me see your other hand as well. This is what they're looking like right now so far. Now I'm gonna get the acrylic powder. Take off the seal. Before you apply the acrylic, you wanna always make sure to just stir it up some. I learned this from my nail tech. Take the little brush that they gave us, our acrylic liquid.
Yeah, get that soft first.
Yeah. It is a little hard, so I am just dipping it into the liquid and moving it around a bit just to get it soft so it can apply the acrylic as we need it to. Then I'm gonna start with small amounts so we can ensure not to mess up. This is how much I'm starting off with. And then you just want to evenly apply the acrylic. I'm going to go ahead and dip it in the solution again. Dip it into the acrylic powder. Again, not too much. And apply. And you want to make sure it's evenly distributed. Okay, so we did get all the acrylic applied to the first hand. This is what they look like right now at the moment. Pretty. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the second hand. Again, I am gonna go ahead and just dip my brush into acrylic liquid. Take not too much, just a bit, and apply. Now again, the goal is to ensure that this is applied evenly. I would recommend doing small amounts at a time if you're a beginner like myself, so you won't have a big chunk of the acrylic and it not looking even. It's easier to fix something when it's messed up a little bit compared to a lot. So again, Anytime you feel like there's excess acrylic on your brush, I recommend dipping it into the acrylic fluid to kind of cleanse it off a little bit, and then wiping it on the paper towel. I am going to add just a little more acrylic liquid, and you don't need much of this stuff at all. Okay, Mom, let me see your thumb. Okay, so now that we have all the tips and the acrylic applied, I am going to go ahead and use one of these big filers so we can shape her nails and get them smooth and ready. Relax your hand. So my mom likes the square round look, so let me show you guys what we're doing over here. So first I'm filing it down, keeping it square. And she likes shorter nails. So this is what we're doing first. And then on the edges, we're just rounding it out. Yeah, so. You may see some excess acrylic, but you're just gonna buff that out at the end. Now what I like to do to make sure both sides are even is put the finger up like this and kind of view it from the back. So let me see. I also like to just go through and just kind of pick in between the excess acrylic just to make sure everything is even. Let's see. Let me see you. Relax your finger. Okay, so now that we have the nails on, I am gonna go ahead and put this pinkish French manicure color right under her skin tone. And again, I'm only putting this color on the flesh part. So now that we did go ahead and apply that pink neutral color to just her skin tone, we're going to apply this clear to the whole nail.
These are cute. Look, really cute. I can do this one. You ain't sleepy. Yes. I can see it in you. You just don't wanna go.